Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install PyCharm on Ubuntu and I'm going to cover the two methods for installation. First method is with the tar.gz file and second method is with the snap command. So let's jump into the first method straight away. So I will open the browser and after opening the browser I will search for download PyCharm and it will give me the first result, which is download PyCharm Python IDE for professional developers. We are not going to install professional edition. We are going to install the community edition. So to install the community edition, I will click on the download button here and it will ask me to open with archive manager or save file. So I will select the save file option, click OK to save. Once the file is downloaded, click on show all downloads and go to the folder where the file is downloaded. My file is downloaded under home downloads. I will open a terminal here and once the terminal is open, let's zoom in. So ls-ltr, let's enter this file. Before doing further configuration, I have to make sure that I have Python installed. So prerequisite is Python 3.8, which is already available on Ubuntu. I did not install it. Uh, if you don't have Python installed already, so you can use the apt command, apt install Python, and it will install the Python. In my case, it is already installed, so it says Python 3 is already the newest version, so I'm not going to install it again. So next step will be, we have extracted the tar file, tar.gz file. Now we will copy that file to the location where we want to install this Python. So I have decided to install it under /opt. So I will do sudo cp-r and PyCharm, the directory name, and then opt/PyCharm. So PyCharm is the location, PyCharm is the location where it will be installed. It will take some time to copy. Looks like it has copied already. To verify, let's do ls-ltr and I can see the content here. So once this is done, I can, before starting the PyCharm, I would install one more prerequisite, which is sudo apt install python 3.8-env. Sorry, it is not env, it is venv, virtual environment, and click on yes. Once all these steps are completed, let's go to the home directory. To go to home directory, I will type cd and I can check with pwd command and then change the dot profile file. If you don't have dot profile file, you can create the dot profile file. At the end of the file, I will add path is equal to $path /opt /pycharm/bin. So I'm appending this path opt PyCharm bin to the my path. And to make it effective, this change, let's source in dot profile file. That is done. Now I can start my PyCharm program. So PyCharm.sh is the command for first method, and it will start the PyCharm. It is asking for user agreement. Let's accept the user agreement. Continue. It is asking for data sharing permission, and PyCharm is starting now. So first method is useful if you don't want to do installation with the snap command and you don't have permission on your machine. So you can use the tar.gz file. So click on new project. I will give this project a name, demo, and it will create the virtual environment. So for creating virtual environment, I did install the Python 3.8-venv package. By that package, it will create the virtual environment. If you don't install that package, you will get an error. Click on create, and it will create the demo project. It is giving tip of the day. I don't know the tip of the day. So let's close it, maximize. And this is our project. Main.py is the default file created by PyCharm. And I can run this Python file by going to run main. And it has executed the file, and it is saying hi PyCharm. So it is just printing this statement, and from here it is calling print hi function. So let's jump to the second method. I will reset my machine and we'll be back with the second method. Welcome back, and let's start with the second method. We need the terminal, so I'm opening terminal. In terminal, we have to search for the package for PyCharm. So sudo snap PyCharm, sudo snap search PyCharm, and it is displaying three packages. One is PyCharm community, second is PyCharm professional, third is PyCharm educational. So we are going to install PyCharm community. To install PyCharm community, sudo snap install PyCharm dash community. We have to use the classic flag. So PyCharm is installed, and we have to make sure that we are having already installed Python before starting PyCharm. Sudo apt install Python 3, and since Python is already installed, it is not going to reinstall again. So Python is available. And we have to install one more prerequisite, which is sudo apt install Python 3.8 dash venv for virtual environment. And once this is done, we can click on activities. This time we are not going to start PyCharm from command line. Here I can search for PyCharm, click on it. So again, we have to accept the agreement since it is fresh installation. Data sharing. PyCharm is running. Now here you can create a new project, open existing project, or get from VCS. I'm going to create new project again. I'm going to give it same name, demo. It is going to use environment, virtual environment. You can use Conda, PyPNV as well. And click on create. It has created again default main.py file. This time I'm going to change this file and I'm going to write something myself. Print in the bracket, hello techie bear. Save it and go to run main. So it will start running the program main.py file and it is saying hello techie bear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.